Hi, I'm Naz from Zebra Creative, and I'm looking for funding of £3,500 to help me get Art Club out there in the community in Newport. So I'll be developing online workshops for others to take part and share their art, and developing creative art packs to go out to the community. So with basic materials and lots of lovely creative surprises in there that then they can join along with the workshops and get involved. So if you'd like to support us, please share and vote and get involved.
My name is Aisha. I'm normally an art student, but I'm off at the moment. Art Club, I've connected with Naz. It's been really fun because obviously I've been isolated in lockdown. Being able to be involved in a project like this, I've learnt new skills, played with mediums I've never touched before. Having the art packs and delivery has meant a lot to me. It's helped me with my confidence, like speaking to people and like using my creativity, because usually I keep away from my talent, but now since then I'm like doing more of it.
I thought it was really cool because I think people, when we're a lot older and then we'll have our own children and things, they could look back and we could show them what we had done over lockdown and inspire them as well. And I think it's really interesting for everyone to see what we went through and to see how we can still be creative even when we're not all together in a big crowd. I think it's really special.
And especially for their age, it's like, how are you going to reflect on this? And these little things are really quite special memories, I think.
Art Club has helped connect over this time, has shared joy, kindness, creativity, and I would love to keep that growing and being able to support more in Newport, in my hometown. So please, if you can, vote for us, keep the joy, the creativity in the community going. Thank you.